really can't believe that worked. I can't take all the glory for thinking of this idea. It was actually a friend of mine. I was talking it out with him, and I'm like, I don't know how I'm gonna move it, you know. I had these furniture dollies, or these carts from Harbor Freight with like 4 wheels. They get stuck in the grass right away. And you know, he mentioned exhaust pipes. I don't have exhaust pipes, but I did have 4 sticks of 3-inch ABS pipes laying around. Well, it worked. Again, this tub only weighs 450 pounds, but still, we'll see how well it goes getting it off of these. That might be a trick by myself, but I just can't believe I got it here all by myself. That was really slick. So yeah, really happy with that.